everybody, welcome to this week's Chesa sneak peek. Today I am standing outside of City Hall, and as you can see behind us, our housekeeping department is helping to keep things nice and clean here. Now City Hall and the Chesapeake public buildings are closed to the public, but there are a lot of employees working, and we do want to give a big thank you to everybody that is still going into work, whether you're a healthcare worker or doing an essential service for the city for our residents. Now our housekeeping staff is doing an excellent job of continuously disinfecting high-touch areas. These includes railings, buttons, door handles, countertops, push plates, faucets, countertops, and sinks. And they're doing this multiple times a day, no less than 4 times a day, just about every 2 hours throughout the working day, to make sure our employees are staying healthy so that we can continue serving you in our community. And again, like I said, our buildings are closed to the public, so that also includes our community centers and our visitor center. Currently, parks and the trails and the walking paths are all open for unorganized recreation, but we have made the difficult decision to close down our playgrounds, our dog parks, our courts, which include tennis and basketball courts, and our skate park at City Park. Now this is really for the safety of the community as a whole, so we do ask that you respect this decision, but please take advantage of the open spaces that we have and respect that social distancing of 6 feet. There are also many events through Parks, Recreation, and Tourism that have been canceled or postponed, and the best way to stay up to date with that is to keep an eye on our Facebook page and also our website. But we are still working on getting some great virtual Parks, Recreation, and Tourism videos up on Facebook, and we have some crafts that are going to be coming up this week. So this craft that will be airing on Wednesday is for a popsicle stick flower pot, and it is geared for a 55 and better community, but if you have a young child that's interested in doing this craft as well, you're welcome to pick up a craft kit. They will be available at the Rokeby Center today and tomorrow, so Monday and Tuesday of this week. From 9 a.m. to noon, you can pick up these craft kits, and then you can tune into our Facebook page on Wednesday to make a popsicle stick flower pot. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We hope to keep you updated as best we can as we continue through these trying times dealing with coronavirus. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our Visitor Center. We are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We will see you next week.